Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just decided to film this look. If it looks a little bit different at the end of the video, that's because for whatever reason, this is like one of the first times this has ever happened to me, but my camera said it was recording and it had the red dot, and then I went to go upload the video onto my computer and it's all gone. So I just lost the entire tutorial, which is so annoying, but that's okay. I'm just filming the intro while I still have the look together, and I'm gonna redo the whole look for you guys. Anywho, I'm doing a look of Carrie from Sex and the City, and I'm doing specifically this episode, but her makeup is pretty like general for the whole time she's on the show, but I just love it. I've been watching it over the break while I've been, you know, sewing and catching up on projects, so I was super inspired and I just think she's so cute. So if you guys want to see how I get this look from Sex and the City, then just go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so originally, God, my roots. Anyways, originally this video was gonna have a hair tutorial along with it, but my camera decided not to videotape, even though it said it was recording, and it didn't. But you guys have seen me do this like 1,000 times before. I even think I have a separate tutorial on this hair. I will have it linked down below. It's my Beach Waves hair video. I just used this thing from Bedhead to like crimp my hair. And the reason I crimped it instead of curling it to get her hair is because I feel like it just makes, like, her hair's got some curl, but it's mostly wavy, so that's my reasoning for that. Sorry, there's no hair tutorial, but I'm just gonna clip it out of the way. The first thing I'm gonna do is go in with my Future Dew from Glossier. Carrie always has like beautifully, like, oh gosh. Carrie always has really good skin on the show, minus that one episode where she like gets a huge pimple on her cheek, like how I have right now. But her skin just always looks really nice and dewy, and she just always looks like really moisturized, and her skin looks really healthy, even though she's like such a heavy smoker. I feel like that would like affect her. Well, it has like in her old age now that I look at her, but on the show she looks good, so. Anyway, putting that on. Carrie always has like a very natural base layer. She does play with like darker eye makeup a lot, which is what I'll be doing today, but her skin she always keeps really natural, I've noticed, and I really like that. So yeah, now that that's on, I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and just cover up any pimples, any redness that I might have. So it's done. That concealer is such heavy, like nice coverage. I don't ever really feel the need to put foundation on it or anything else over it. So now I'm gonna go in with my Cloud Paint from Glossier. This one's in the shade Storm. I'm just gonna squeeze some on the back of my hand and put that on my cheeks. She's always got a very like dusty rose kind of glow to her rather than like a really pink one. So that's kind of what I'm going for today. I'm gonna put on my lips too. And some on my nose. One thing I really like about Carrie's makeup, I always go way overboard with blush. I just love blush. I think it makes you look like really healthy and really, youthful and just like glowy. So I always put on like a ton of blush, and I don't think like a lot of people do that on television, I've noticed, or in movies. And Carrie she always has on like a ton of blush, and I think it looks really pretty because that's how I do my makeup, and that's how my mom's always done her makeup, so that's probably why I like it. But yeah, I'm just taking it down my face a little bit just to kind of give it that natural flush, and a little bit on my chin, and then whatever's left I'm just gonna on my lips and let it soak in. So now I'm not gonna add any freckles since I already have some fake tan ones on, and she doesn't even have freckles to begin with, so we're just gonna skip that step for today's video. Now I'm gonna move on to eyes. I'm just gonna take what's left on my beauty blender and put that on my lids. Now I'm gonna take my Carrie Bible palette first. This is the deluxe edition. Yeah, that means. And I'm gonna take this shade right here and use that to start creating a smoky transition shade. I have somewhere to go after this, so for once in my life I'll be wearing makeup that I actually like from my YouTube and like have somewhere to go. Normally I just like go wash it off, which is really sad. Okay, now I'm going in with this more purpley mauve matte color, and I'm gonna put that all over my eyeball. Take that purpley taupe color and put it on my lower lash line as well. Now I'm gonna take this dark brown and start packing that on my lid. I'm gonna take the dark purple color too and just blend that in a little bit, because that's just really gonna make the green in my eyes stand out. And then I'm just gonna take the white from this palette, or like the cream color, and with the same brush just put that on my brow bone to help blend out all that smokiness. I'm gonna take the highlighter, the white highlight from this palette, and pop that on my inner corner. And then lastly, since that palette is mostly matte with the darker shades, I'm gonna go in with this smoky palette from NYX, not Mix, and a paddle brush, flat brush, and take the sparkly gray like gunmetal shade and just put that on my lash line. And whatever's left on that, I'm gonna put on my lash line on the bottom. And one last round of blending. And now I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera and put on some mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so lastly, I'm just gonna finish up my face and my lips. I'm gonna go in with some bronzer because Carrie's always got like a really nice, healthy glow going on. I'm gonna do some highlight. I'm just gonna use the one from the Carrie Bible palette I was using earlier, like the peachy one. I'm gonna line my lips now with this MAC lip liner. It's in the shade Chicory. And I think pretty consistently throughout the show, Carrie has glossy lips. So I'm gonna go in with this one from Rimmel. It's in the shade Blushing Belgraves. Last but certainly not least for the look, I'm just going to add the famous Carrie mole. I'm like so tempted to put it right here because I have a pimple right there, but I'll be true to form and put it where it's supposed to go. Voila! Makeup done. I'm just gonna put the outfit together and then I will see you guys in my outro. So this is the completed look. I got this beret from Urban Outfitters. I'm just wearing like a little Scorpio necklace. This is the only necklace I have that has words on it. So that I'll have to just pretend it says Carrie or Daisy, I guess it would be in this sense. And then I have this dress that I got from the thrift store that I altered myself. I'm gonna be uploading a video, or I might have already uploaded the video. I'm not sure what order I'm gonna post all these in yet. I've been pre-filming, so yeah. Anyways, got this dress and it looks pretty much identical to the one that she is wearing in that episode. So yeah. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and be sure to hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And make sure you guys comment down below your favorite Sex and the City character. Mine is Charlotte, and I like Steve a lot too. Anyways, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Be sure to follow my social media. They'll be in the description, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.